Hey guys, wanted to do a quick video on how to change the engine air filter on a 2011 Honda Odyssey EXL. My friend went into the dealership and got an oil change, and they recommended changing the air filter, and they wanted to charge 45 bucks. So I bought an air filter for 10 bucks, and I'm going to show you how to do it in just under a minute right now. So first thing we need to do is pop the hood. The latch to the hood is right down here to the left. Pull that guy out. Now just to the left here, about the left hand side of the H, there's a little latch right here. You want to pull that to the right and pop up on the hood. So let's go right here. Now you got a prop up stick right there. That'll go right there in that hole. So put that guy right there. Now we're good to go. Now on the right hand side over here, that's where the air filter is. So you come over here, no tools. There's a latch here, a little metal latch here, here, and on the back side right here. Just pop those, you'll hear it pop. And then I'm gonna use my other hand for the other one. All right, now it's open and ready to pry open. Let's grab this guy. Quick note, on the left hand side there's a couple little feet on this thing. You want to pull that out so you can lift it up. So let's pull that out. I'll try and do it with one hand and then lift up. Alright, I already changed this filter, but essentially this will just lift right up and out. So you lift up and out. I'll put my other hand here. And there you go. So these go in, it's got a certain shape, as you can see. So it goes in there just how it's shaped in the box. You'll want the fat part of this filter right here down. So let's put it back in real quick. So I might need two hands, but we lift this up. Grab this guy, slide her in. Flatten down. Make sure these 2 feet on the back side here hook into that groove. I might have to angle them down a little bit. Let me use my other hand here. Okay, as you can see, they went right into that little slot on both sides. Then you'll push down. This is hard to do with one hand, but all right, now it's fully in place. Latch this first hook to hold it in place. You got another one right here. Latch that one up. Oops. And then on the back side, pull that guy up. Done. You just saved 35 bucks. Well, 45 if you include the air filter. That's it. Go ahead and put your stem back here in its slot. It connects right there. You're done. Close the hood. That's it. Hope you find this helpful. If you have any questions, please just comment. If you like the video, like and subscribe. And we will see you in the next video. Appreciate it.